how to sing better. And so I would focus on like pitch, training your voice to hit different pitches correctly, you know, learning some scales, learning pieces of your favorite songs and like using that as a comparison. Like find something that's within your vocal range. And what I mean by that is find a singer that you feel like is similar to your voice, that's within that range that you can kind of sing. And it's like, okay, I'm not totally off as far as how I sound, versus like, let's say like a singer like Mariah Carey, when she can hit those super high notes, or like Ariana Grande, same thing, they go super high. Like that's way out of most people's ranges. So find somebody who's like similar in your range, and you can use that as a guide, as a reference to like compare you against them and try to learn pieces of their songs. And that's a practical way to just practice and learn. Another thing that I like to do, I'll use auto-tune. Maybe you can load a track up into a program and you can try to sing parts of their song, and you can see where auto-tune is having to do a lot of heavy correction, and that's giving you automatic feedback that you're like really off pitch. And you can see it having to do less and less correction as you adjust your vocals. And then you can practice like singing with auto-tune and then removing it and then hearing how you sound without it. And that could be a way that you can get like instant feedback on your singing. And if you want to level up your rap skills, grab the Rap Essentials bundle, which has 3 free rap courses packed with all the core lessons you need to perfect your craft. And the best part, it's 100% free. Just hit that link in my profile like it stole something from you to get instant access.
You hit me!